Hello class, today we will learn about rotations and revolutions.
You may be wondering what a rotation or a revolution is and why it is important.
Rotations and revolutions happen in everyday life without you noticing. Rotation is something that spins by itself. And revolutions are something that goes around an object.
What makes things rotate though?
The axis. The axis is the middle point of an object that is rotating, which keeps it balanced. Otherwise, everything would fall.
Well, I think it wouldn't hurt to go over some examples. Wow, what a hot day. I could sure use a cool breeze.
Oh look, a fan!
Please turn it on.
Oh, now it's getting colder. I wonder why.
This is because when the fan spins, it causes the air to move.
Oh, this is rotation.
Why is this rotation?
Because the fan is spinning in circles without the help of another object.
But what exactly is a rotation?
Something that spins without the help of another object.
Angel will now spin a basketball on her finger. Angel's finger is the axis. This is because it is the middle of a spinning basketball. This helps the basketball keep balance because the axis is in the middle of the object, which makes it continue to spin. The object is rotating because it has an axis instead of going around Angel's finger, which would make it a revolution. Therefore, it sits on top of her finger. Because the basketball is spinning, it is a rotation.
I need to tie up my horse so it does not leave. Wow, now it's tied. I'm gonna go now. I wonder why my horse is walking in circles.
It's a revolution. Horses often walk in circles or revolutions because when they're tied up, they have nowhere to move forward. When they move forward instead, they go around and around a fence post, as you can see by your horse.
How odd. Shouldn't I be worried about that?
No, it's fine.
I'm so confused though. What is revolution?
A revolution is when something goes around something else. In this case, your horse went around the fence over and over and over and over. Now we will see how the Earth and Moon act. The Moon revolves around the Earth.
What do you mean by revolving again?
Well, revolving means something that goes around something. In this example, the Moon goes around the Earth in a circle. The Earth stays still while the Moon moves around it. The Earth is full of revolutions and rotations.
How so?
The Earth spins on its axis, so it is a rotation in that way. The Earth also revolves around the Sun because it goes around the Sun. Did you know that the Earth completes one full revolution in a year?
That's really interesting, but what about the moon?
The Moon rotates and revolves around the Earth. It goes around the Earth, but the Moon also rotates. A fun fact about the Moon is that one revolution around the Earth is the same as one rotation for the Moon.
Whoa, that's whack.
All throughout space, there are revolutions and rotations. In the Milky Way galaxy alone, we revolve around a black hole in the center. In our solar system, the planets start with Mercury and ending with Uranus revolve around the Sun.
Just to make sure, what is revolution? I don't want to get it mixed up.
A revolution is when something goes around something else. The Earth goes around the Sun, the Moon goes around the Earth. Same with the rest of the planets.
So now we will review the things that we went over today.
Yeah, so I forgot. What is rotation and revolution again exactly?
Remember, rotation is something that spins by itself. Revolution is something that goes around an object, and an axis is the middle point of an object.
Oh wait, revolutions were what the horse did and what the Earth and the Moon did, and rotations were what the fan did and the spinning basketball did.
Exactly.
So because the horse and the Earth with the Moon went around something in the middle, they are a revolution. And because the fan and the basketball spun around, they are a rotation.
Spot on.
Thank you for coming out to our classroom.